Did it impact you, sir? I mean, what is the
They are
exposure
not
in
given
that
any
particular?
loan directly for coal mining per se. Okay, as such a direct impact is not there. But there is an indirect impact because there are some steel plants which are allotted the coal mine, now coal is not available. There are thermal power plants which are based on this coal supply, that coal is not available to us. To that extent we are affected. But the Supreme Court has given 6 months time to for status quo is given so they can continue to get this coal. Within the 6 months, I think government is saying that within 3-4 months they will sort it out. If it is sorted out within the 6 months, there is no issue. If there is a delay, there could be some problems for the banks. Interest rates are going down very fast. Even today it has touched the 830. It used to be around 835, 33 levels. One more resistance level it has broken, it has come to 830. And market is expecting the 10-year yield to touch 8%. Okay. The interest rates are certainly going down. The way in which petroleum prices are falling and it is passed on to the customers by way of reduction in the petroleum and diesel prices, inflation is likely to come down. When the CPI inflation comes down, naturally there will be rate cuts expectation is going up in the market. Market is discounting and the rates are going down. I think we can expect a big reduction in interest rates going forward.
Any approximate BPS, sir?
So that's what I was telling. Market is expecting the 10-year yield to go to 8% if there is a rate cut of 25 basis point in the next policy. That is what the market expectation. Now that's what. There is no windfall gains during the current quarter. Okay. It's all basically core banking profits only. Treasury profits are actually come down when compared to the previous year. For the crop, government has not declared the loss of crop so far. Wherever there is a loss of crop, we will reface the loans and give them the fresh loans. Okay, it is not, crop is not totally lost. There is some damage. Total exposure, total lending in that area. That is only in Vizag. Okay, I have more lending in Srikakulam and Kakinada and other places where impact is not much.
Of this 5,000 crores, how much is to agriculture and how much is
Agriculture is how much? Visakhapatnam, 1,800 crores is agriculture. Somewhere around 1,800 crores is agriculture, consisting of both capex as well as crop loans.
So remaining is in business.
Remaining is in SMEs and other things. There are also damage is there. The shed is affected, the machineries are water has gone in. Insurance claims are being made. Insurance companies are sitting there to sort it out. Tomorrow Chief Minister has have a meeting in Visakhapatnam calling all the people to sort out the insurance claim related issues. I think things will improve in Visakhapatnam. Not much of damage will happen to us. But banks will provide relief measures whatever is required.